There are 7 components to a healthy diet. The first one is carbohydrates, then protein from foods such as meat, fish or dairy. We also need vitamins to maintain a healthy body. You get these from fruit, vegetables, and some vitamins come from meat and dairy. Our bodies need minerals such as calcium to help maintain our bones, our nails, our teeth and our eyesight. Water is essential as we are made up of over 70% water, and it's where all of the chemical reactions in our body take place. We need fats as well from things like oil, butter, meat, cheese. We use fats for energy, insulation and for padding. We also need fibre. Fibre helps with digestion and helps to keep everything moving. If you take in more calories than you use, you can become overweight. There are issues associated with being overweight, like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. It is also possible to be underweight if you do not consume enough calories. Being underweight can cause damage to your internal organs, to your teeth, to your eyesight, and it can shorten your lifespan. To be malnourished means to not have enough of any of the essential nutrients in the diet. The amount of cholesterol in your blood can be affected by your diet and your genes. Cholesterol is produced in the liver and it's needed for healthy cell membranes. However, too much in the blood can increase your risk of heart disease and clogged arteries. Exercising can help to lower your risk of diabetes, lower your risk of heart disease, and lower your cholesterol. It also improves the fitness of your heart and can ensure that you do not become overweight. Now we're going to talk about infection for a bit. You can catch diseases in a number of ways. One of the most common, the way that people catch the cold, is by inhaling viral particles, particularly when someone sneezes. Infections can also get into the body through cuts, or by ingestion or swallowing. Many of the pathogens that cause disease are bacteria. They don't have a nucleus. Those little squiggly things on the back are called flagella, so they can move around, and they are very, very small. Viruses are even smaller than bacteria. They're not even considered alive. They're a tiny little particle, and they inject a small amount of RNA into a host cell. They cannot be killed by antibiotics, whereas bacteria can. This is a white blood cell. White blood cells are part of the immune response in the body. This immune response allows our body to attack and destroy pathogens when they get into the blood. Your skin's also really important here. Your skin helps to keep pathogens out and stop them from getting into our tissues and our body fluids. This is an antibiotic. Antibiotics are normally isolated from fungi or molds. They kill bacteria, but are ineffective against any other kind of pathogen. Overprescription of antibiotics and people not finishing their courses has led to the development of antibiotic-resistant strains of bacteria, like MRSA. These can be very dangerous as we don't have a way to destroy them